In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favicon in Hostinger Website Builder. A favicon is that tiny icon that appears on a tab's corner in your web browser. It's a great way to reinforce your brand and make your site easily recognizable. Let's dive right into it. First off, you'll want to open your favorite web browser and head over to Hostinger's website. You can simply type Hostinger into your search bar or go directly to their homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a prominent login button, usually located at the top right hand corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, find the section labeled Website. This is where you'll manage the different aspects of your site. Click on Website and you should see an option that says Edit Website. Click on this option, which will take you into the Hostinger Website Builder, a user-friendly tool that will allow you to customize your site effortlessly. Now that you're in the builder, navigate to the home page within the builder settings. You'll see various tools and options here, but what you're going to do next is look for More Settings. The More Settings option can typically be found on the dashboard or in a side menu. Click on it to see additional configuration options. Next, among these settings, you'll want to look for something called General Settings. Clicking on General Settings will take you to a menu with various options that affect the broader aspects of your website and its performance. In this section, you'll find the option to add a favicon, which is our main focus today. Click on Favicon and you'll see an upload section where you can choose an icon from your computer. Ideally, this icon should be a simple graphic that represents your brand, usually no larger than 32 by 32 pixels, to ensure it displays perfectly on all browsers. Make sure your file is in the correct format, most commonly an ICO or PNG file. Once you've selected your file and uploaded it, take a moment to confirm everything looks good. And that's it, you have successfully added a favicon to your website using Hostinger Website Builder. This simple addition can make a big difference in making your site stand out and be easily recognizable to your visitors. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Happy site building, and see you next time.